Hey, it's Sam back here. Welcome to this video for Ad Connect. Now I'm excited to show you the software today. It's a software that will allow you to copy any sales page, any funnel page, or any website that you want to duplicate or edit for your own use. It's also going to give you the ability to then advertise your page, your website, your funnel as you want through whatever traffic source you choose, Facebook or YouTube if you wanted to. You'll be able to create ads within the software, and then from there you can drive traffic back to your page, and it even allows you to split test that page as well. So you can add in new variations and split test it entirely through the software. Now it's very similar in some ways to Revamply. If you remember Revamply, it's a software that I released last year. The big difference with this software is that it allows you to create and split test ads as well as the pages that you're able to duplicate. So I thought I'd go through and I'd show you the software today, a full demonstration of what the software can do so you can understand some of the things that you can do with this software. So first of all, you're going to come to this dashboard here. Now this dashboard, it's going to have your statistics. You'll be able to see what's converting well, what's not converting so well, where people are logging in from, and then you can go to the campaigns menu here. Now this campaigns menu, when you don't have any websites added, you can go down to here and you can choose a website that you want to add. Now this allows you to add any website that you want. Okay, so you could add any sales page that you've seen, a competitor's sales page if you wanted to. You could add one of your own sales pages. You can edit any page that you're building in a web builder right now, or make edits really quickly on the fly with the software. For this demonstration, let's go and pick script engage .co/live. This is the product that we launched yesterday. Let's see if it works, and then we can click on add new page. Now it's going to add this page right now. It's loading it up right now, and we'll be able to see it in just a moment being loaded onto this page. Now what it's doing right now is it's loading up all of the different elements of the page. It's basically converting this page so it can be edited really easily within the software. Now what it's doing is it's saying the website seems to be loading a bit slow, please be patient, and it gives you this Ad Connect tag. Now this Ad Connect tag is basically something that you can add to your website. So if you own the website yourself, you can add this tag to your website, and it will then allow you to basically go ahead and you'll be able to then update changes instantly on your website. Okay, so if you're editing one of your own websites, you can update changes instantly with this. You could also track your ads and see how many people are actually visiting your page, and it will also track that data as to how your ads are converting and how well they're doing as well. Now let's go ahead and see if we can edit this page. So you can basically select any part of this and edit it. So if we wanted to say edit this headline right here, we would simply click. We can click edit to edit the video. Oh, we're editing the headline right now, so we click edit, the dirty little secret for top campaigns, blah, 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 blah. So we've got this headline here. What you could do is you can actually use, if you've got access to Script Engage, you could actually generate some headline scripts and you could add them in here. So we could say discover how to write high converting sales copy in minutes. All right, we could add that as our variation or our new headline. Okay, so we could make some changes to this. We could change the image, the button, the text here. We could change, any of these images, any part of the page. We can go, literally, we can go right down the page. We can change every component of this, including the buy buttons, including the images. We can change any of this text here. We can swipe other people's funnels and edit it as we want. Now it's going to take a little bit of time to edit this page. If you're editing one of your own pages, then you can go ahead and edit that as you want. If you're editing someone else's page, it's important that you edit a lot of it so it's quite obvious that you haven't copied it. Okay, someone may not be happy if you copy a website without their permission. It's probably not a good thing to do. However, if you change everything and make it your own, like the background, change the background, you change the header, you change the video, you change the button, then over time it's going to look like a new page. So once you've done that, and this is my own website, so I only want to split test this headline. Once you've done that, you can choose to either save or you can create a new variation. Now, when you create a new variation, it allows you to split test your different changes. Okay, so it's going to allow you to split test your different changes. So it's created another version right now. As you can see here, it's version number 2, and I can now edit this headline to something else. This is cool. buy it now. So we could, split test this headline versus the other one because we've created two variations. And all we need to do to edit this and make sure that these split tests are happening is add that code that I showed you a moment ago to our website, and it's basically going to split test them as they go. The other option is we can download the HTML and it'll automatically do the split testing for you. So this software does that without you having to do anything else. Now click save when you're ready. We've clicked save. We have our two variations. We have two URLs for each of our variations. If we wanted to, we could go and click this download button, and we can actually go ahead and download the HTML. So you see this? It's downloaded this HTML. Now I could upload this HTML to my web browser, my server, and that sales page, it could be someone else's sales page, is now made into mine, and I can upload it to my, wherever I want really easily with this software. Then if I wanted to, and I wanted to advertise through Facebook, I wanted to advertise through any other traffic source, I can click on this button here, Manage Ads, and I can actually create ads for this specific variation. Now the power here is that this software will manage which variations are shown. And also, as ads come through and people go to these variations, you'll be able to get a really good feel for which ad is converting the best, which ad is converting the most people into buyers, which variation is converting the most people into buyers. This is the perfect software to use if you're running some sort of sales page campaign where you're promoting products or services. Say for example a launch, perfect. If you're doing some sort of bonus promotion and you want to measure your conversions based on what headline you use, what video you use, which images you use on the page, this software is perfect for that. It also comes with a number of different sizes. You can create your ad based on Usign templates, create your ad based on Google templates, Twitter templates for Twitter ads, LinkedIn templates for LinkedIn ads, and probably a really popular option, which is Facebook ads. They've actually pre-created all of these different Facebook ads that you can jump into and edit. So if you're running a webinar event, for example, and you're looking to split test that, you can go in here, you can say, this is a webinar happening soon. You can edit it, you can adjust it, you can add anything to this images you want, zoom out, zoom in. You've got a complete editor within the software that you can go ahead and use right away. As you can see here, I can add text, I can add drawings, it's drag and drop. We can remove certain colors, we can add filters and make it look as we want. So really, really quite cool what you can do with this software. Now when you're ready, you click save, so go ahead, go back, click save, and then it's going to save this ad, and you'll be able to then from there go and download this ad and use it on your campaigns over Facebook. Now everything is tracked, so any conversions you get, any traffic you generate, it's going to be tracked here. You'll be able to see the traffic coming, you'll be able to see how well your different variations are performing. You'll also be able to see all the different campaigns that are being run here. In this case we would go to this campaign, and it measures everything for you, so you can really see what's performing the best. As part of the upgrades, you can also manage clients and much more. So after using the software, I really like it. It's different in some ways. The builder itself is different to Revamply in terms of it's not a drag and drop builder. It actually just allows you to select the text, select the images, select the video, and edit it. You can't drag text around or drag any components around, and you can't add new elements like you can in Revamply. So that's one important thing to note. One other important thing to note is that you do with this software have the ability to split test ads. You also have the ability to download other people's pages after making changes yourself, which is a really cool feature. So after looking at the software, I really like what they've done here. It's easy to use, and I think if you apply this software into your business, you're going to be able to increase the conversions you generate from the sales pages that you've created. You should also, as part of that, be able to, as a result of increasing those conversions, you should be able to also do this for clients as well. And if you've got clients which are receiving a lot of traffic, the difference in 1% in conversion can result in hundreds of thousands in extra profits and extra advertising money that they can put into their business. So it's really important that if you are working with a client, you want the best software to do that. And this software does a really good job in measuring conversions and also allowing you to basically have the whole funnel created, do all the ad testing that you would want, and everything you could think of when it comes to creating saleable campaigns using paid traffic. So I like the software. I think you'll do really well with it. You can go down below, find out more, get access to the bonuses down below, and for the price that you can get access to the software for, I think this is a really bargain of a deal. Cool, so thanks for listening. This is Sam Becker. I hope this has been useful and you now understand exactly what Ad Connect does. There's training inside of the software. And again, if you have any questions or anything you want to ask, we've got a support URL down the bottom. So feel free to ask any questions of us or go down below. Check out the sales page when this goes live. I think you'll really like it. Thanks. See you later.